Y'all ain't gonna believe this, but look who I found.
Hey,
It's
guys.
Matt! Look!
Everyone, missed y'all.
Ah, it's finally good to be back together.
Yeah, it's been a while. And I apologize to y'all. Work has been getting in the way of the fun.
Yeah. I'd give you guys their information, but I don't want to cause any issues for Matt for that. Give them a call and bitch them out a little bit. But anyways, today we're in the garage doing a little bit of basic maintenance on the Jeeps. Gonna wash them off, get some of the nasty salt off. We got a friend coming in. We're gonna install a winch on her Jeep, so we thought we'd bring you guys along for that as well. So let's see what we can get into.
Yes, sir. It's cold. It's frosty.
Probably don't want to do that yet. Probably don't want to tighten it down yet until we get the back wires hooked up.
These things are a pain in the ass, especially when it's cold.
Oh wait, I gotta put the black line on. Duh. Why didn't you guys tell me? All right. Cool.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. I think it did.
On this side.
Can you give this side a little nudge back? Oh, I think that's good right now. Actually, more front. Oh, I think it popped out again. Alright, got. Oops. Bottom bolts in. Kind of a pain, but we'll get him. We got the pink helmet now. I can start hurting myself.
It didn't stop you before.
No, it didn't. Try and run both of them up, but I don't think I'll be able to hold both of them. Okay. That one gonna reach?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got him. Perfect.
Okay, I was right the first time.
There's your 10.
You knew it.
I didn't know it. I was just. You said both, so we're gonna go both.
Yeah, I just put it up there on that one, right? Like that laying across that.
Do we want to try and go around backside with it? Just
for
kicks?
Yep.
I'm sure if we don't, someone out there will say something. Oh, no, I'm talking about the people of YouTube. The keyboard punchers.
You big dummy.
You can't have that going across the battery, it'll ruin it. Well, sometimes.
Not a mechanic.
One of these days, I'll give you all a grand tour of underneath Nemesis, and you can bitch at me for there and for the electrical work underneath there.
Sanity also.
Sanity also, yes.
Not,
If it works, it works.
Not a mechanic. I'm a wheeler.
Function over form.
Yes. Yeah, what he said.
Ta-da! It can pull a Zach. Hello. Ta-da!
There's your instructions in there too.
What do you think, Deb?
Love it.
Got Debbie out of here. Winch is on. She's very happy with it. We'll put that to use here soon, hopefully. Get some of this stuff cleaned up while Matt washes off Otis. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. Matt and I were chit-chatting for a good while, catching up and whatnot this week, and we forgot to do a closeout video together, so this is it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully Debbie enjoys her winch. We'll get some use out of it this year. And hopefully you all enjoyed seeing Matt today. I know I enjoyed my time with him. I always do. Love Matt. But he should be back on the next video, hopefully. We're still trying to decide what we're doing next, if we're doing more garage stuff or we're going wheeling yet. We'll let you know, and you'll find out soon enough. So if you remember, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, you should. It's really cool. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of good times here, and hopefully you all are enjoying this. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you're staying up to date on all of our shenanigans. Let us know how we're doing. We're enjoying the hell out of this, and we hope you are too. So, from me, from Matt, pick up all your trash, keep your tires on the trail. We'll see you next time.